Hello. To increase accuracy of Z coordinate, you need to build two 3D submaps with two common beacons, as shown in the video. Then you choose submap 1. Enter 90 degrees in plane rotation X setting bar. Press enter to confirm changes. Use this button to change direction of view and see how high change. When you check that everything works correctly, enable only for that coordinate option in the settings bar. Now you can awake a mobile beacon. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, now you can see that beacon has a really stable Z coordinate. Thank you for your attention.